Yeah. I don't know if it ricocheted or not, but I'm gonna count it.
Two in the left corner there, Evan.
That's fine, don't worry about it.
Don't move! You don't move! Why is he moving?
Shot, you don't move.
Why is he moving? Is he still moving, Rick?
I can't see anybody.
Straight across from you.
Yeah, somebody just took off walking.
Why is he walking? I shot the shit out of the guy and he walked off.
Oh, yep. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. We're good. That's your elbow, dude. Come out of there. That's your leg. At the compound, On that compound. On the window of the compound. Are you hit? You're hit. Osot.
Watch that window though. This one right here.
Who's grenade?
I don't know. Someone threw it in there.
Yep. Hey! Fuckers. Not that spot. You get him?
Reload. Pin him on this side. Pin him. You hit? Give me your hand, dude. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Heal them. Get low. Don't get in that window.
You see them coming? Shoot through the window at him. Trying to get stay low.
Get an angle on them.
Reaper, what do you got?
On this compound, right on the corner of the compound, between the wagon and the compound. They're right on the corner of it.
We need to get the fuck out of here, Reaper.
Yep. It's bad. Isaac, they're right on the corner of it.
No, you just want to grab him. You got him? Isaac, you got him?
Who's right there?
That's us.
I think they moved, Isaac. Heel him. Just grab his leg right there.
Grab his leg.
Pull him into you. Pull him into you.
Next time let him poke out. You would have got him right in the face.
Right on the corner. Chinese right on the corner.
Far in corner. Isaac is on the corner there.
Coming in.
Top, bottom. Bottom. Bottom.
See? He's right on the corner.
Walk off. He back up. China, don't move, please.
Yeah, I got him. Are you shooting next to my head? Are you shooting next to my head?
Yep.
Evan, where's he at?
You have numbers, dude.
Yeah, I know we got numbers, but we gotta.
I got you covered if you're misfeeding.
Where's Evan and him?
They're right over the line. Yeah, okay, buddy. Drone, don't worry about it.
Watch his door. Watch his door. Yo, watch his door. Come over here. Watch creek.
I'm gonna get back in that back room.
Go ahead. You're clear. Just watch out for the second floor of the building across. Shit! China! You got him?
Trying to get hit.
No. He's in that corner, China. You know where he's coming from. Gotcha.
Isaac, watch that creek, buddy.
Right there, yeah. I'll cover the window for you. That yours, Reed?
Nope. Kick it over in a corner. We gotta get an angle on that stupid thing.
Move out of the way. It's the only thing I can hit. What are you talking about?
Should I throw a smoke in the fort?
You can, but it ain't gonna do no good.
You keep peeking out right there and getting healed, I'm gonna hit you again. Where's these guys at? Somebody give me some.
Second floor, left window.
I got the guy on the left.
Isaac, I'm about to go in the creek, bro.
There's guys in the creek.
I know that,
Watch.
but who's lighting people up?
He's got shot from the creek.
Yeah. He's lighting people up in the corner here, and they're walking right out immediately after. Coming through. No.
Yeah, plugged his hose.
Hey, I got two there hit you in the corner.
Where are they? 3-story? Hey, is the 3-story ours?
Nope.
How's it?
Nope.
That's clear. We need to hit this.
It's clear?
I hit her. Got her.
Talk to him. Kevin, hurry. Talk to me. What is it?
He's over that way. Three. Move.
Move from where?
No, I'm just trying to get behind you. On the left.
Creek.
Fucking 3-story.
One's back already. So.
Oh, a creek. Oh, he's hit.
Down. I'm going in.
Watch it. It's steep right there.
I know.
Drew.
There's two.
Sorry.
I need you to watch the corner for me.
Watch which
I
corner.
thought you were aiming again. I shot again.
I got you. Go.
You guys come in. We're going down.
Go.
Let's go.
I don't know if there's somebody over there.
Go.
They're dropping down in. He's out. Here, heal me, heal me.
Isn't anybody up in that tower?
Where'd you shot?
In the leg from the corner. I got him the same time. I'm gonna go get Drew.
You hit?
Yeah.
Hear me? I'm gonna go get Drew. Got me covered?
Go, go, go.
Hey, he's not on your team. Shoot him. No, not him. Behind you, Reaper.
19, 20, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There's a guy right here. Look, inside this window right here in the compound.
I like to be alive.
I'm coming. Give me a second. It's for a second. Yeah, for right now.
Watch inside that doorway. There's somebody in that compound.
I know, there's two. There's two.
What's their name? Osot. Priest. Born in that ravine. Yeah. Priest. Get the Reaper and then bounce.
Watch that window, watch that window. Osot.
Hey, what's in the 3-story?
There. No, we're not in 3-story yet.
What?
We're not in this 3-story yet.
Yes, they're on a different team right now. The people that were there were on team like we're now Osot.
What you got in the creek?
Yeah, Creek.
Yeah, no.
Two.
He's hit. One's hit. There's one hit.
Don't move. Stop walking. Reaper on your left.
I know.
More time.
They're inside the compound too.
I know.
No. He's on that window.
You got a grenade? That doesn't need. I don't even need to pull the pin.
Oh! Oh, so, okay. All right.
Yeah, they're on there.
Good call, Cody. Watch that creek, Tristan. Yeah, friendly in the compound. Isaac! Yes! Oh, Osot! I got a grenade coming up with you. Hey, come here, buddy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30. Osot.
Take that fucking 3-story, boys. Let's fucking take that bitch. You can't shoot through the pack, you dumb fuck.
Oh shit.
Fucking take it out.
Osot!
Thunder B coming up. Osot, clear it out. Clear.
find the ammo. I got the ammo.
Hey, Osot, how many people we have out here?
Hey, taking that window out right there. Come behind you.
Watch out, wagon, wagon.
Piston life, baby.
You all right, buddy?
We have so many people on our
Yep.